I tried MetalPay crypto wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first heard about MetalPay, I thought it was just another crypto payment app. But after using it for 7 days, the shocking truth is that MetalPay might be one of the most underrated gateways between traditional banking and crypto. Setup was incredibly smooth. I verified my identity, linked my debit card, and was ready to send and receive money within minutes. What makes MetalPay stand out is how it blends fiat and crypto together. You can send dollars to friends instantly, just like Venmo or Cash App, but you can also convert that money into over 50 different cryptocurrencies with a single tap. Most people get this wrong. They think crypto wallets are only for traders, but MetalPay is built for real-world use. You can send someone cash or Bitcoin just by using their username, without worrying about long wallet addresses. And here's the fun part, you actually earn rewards in Metal's native token, MTL, every time you make transactions. It's like getting paid to use your wallet. During my week, I tested sending crypto to friends, buying Bitcoin, and even cashing out to my bank account. Everything worked seamlessly. Transactions were fast, and the interface felt modern and user-friendly. However, there are a few downsides. MetalPay is currently limited to the US, and some features depend on your state's regulations. Also, while rewards are exciting, the value of the Metal token can fluctuate. By day 7, though, I realized the shocking truth. MetalPay is not just a wallet, it's a bridge between banking and crypto. It makes digital currency accessible to everyone without the confusion of traditional exchanges. If you're new to crypto or just want a simple, rewarding way to manage money, MetalPay might surprise you as much as it did me.